The first update we'll look at are the new options we have inside of the automated modeling control panel. Whether we're editing an existing automated model or we're creating a new one, we now have the ability to control the thickness of the components that are created. As you can see, when we select the individual iterations, the individual configurations of our automated modeling results, we've now got the ability to use a slider to change the varying thickness of the components. So rather than editing the original item once already created, we've now got the ability to come in and choose from varying sizes and thicknesses of the components. The other update we have inside of the November 2022 version is we've got the ability now to duplicate drawing sheets inside of our drawing environment. This gives us the ability to use the same template, the same layout in multiple different iterations, whether it be changing certain dimensions, changing certain views, making various minor tweaks to our drawings, whether this be for different vendors, whether this be for different fabricators. We've then got the ability to use the same views and same overall layout and just highlight various other features during this particular process. The third feature we'll look at is the update to the parameters window, where we've got a new look and feel to the window itself, giving us better visibility of the individual features that our parameters are assigned to. A new feature that I'm really excited for is the ability to defer automatic updates. So this allows us to untick the automatic updates button in the top right, where we can make multiple changes to multiple parameters and only apply the changes once we hit OK on the window, allowing us to ensure that our configuration is correct before making the changes and therefore should mitigate any broken parameters along the way. Otherwise, by default, this is ticked and we can carry on working as per usual.